In this tutorial, I'll show you how to supercharge Webflow using libraries. Let's get started. Open your Webflow project and open the Layouts panel. Select the Libraries section to browse the available component libraries. Explore the built-in libraries or install additional libraries from the Webflow Libraries Marketplace. Once installed, they'll appear in your Libraries panel. Browse the available components, then drag and drop sections such as hero banners, pricing tables, testimonials, or footers directly into your project. Customize the imported components by changing the layout, colors, fonts, images, and content to match your brand. Preview your website to make sure everything looks and works as expected. Then publish your changes. That's how to supercharge Webflow using libraries. Thanks for watching.